Hey guys, welcome to the Module 16 quiz review. Let's jump in. So this is number 1, and we're asked to find if A, B, C, D, and E are equivalent expressions. Well, first we need to find out what this equals. I've written over here our properties of logs. This one uses addition. So we're going to go and look for our properties of logs that uses addition. Oh, I made a little mistake up here. Okay, it's our product property of logs. And so we can write log base 6 of 3 times 12. And then we can multiply these together. We'd get log base 6 of 36. And then we can figure out what that equals. 6 to the power of x equals 36. Well, x must equal 2. So this expression up here is equal to 2. And we're going to work out A, B, C, D, and E. And we're going to find which of those expressions are equal to 2. So here is A. Log base 4 of 72 minus 4 log 9. Log 4 9. Okay, well, what can we do here? Well, I see subtraction. So we're going to go find our product property, or our property of logs that uses subtraction. It's here. It's our quotient property. So log base 4 of 72 divided by 9. This equals log base 4 of 8. Spiral it out. 4 to the power of x equals 8. Well, is x 2? Well, if x was 2, 4 squared would be 16. So this is not an equivalent expression. So A is no. Let's try B. B is the negative log of base 1/2 of 4. This is rather bizarre looking. Well, let's hold this negative off to the side and let's solve this here. A couple ways we could tackle this. I'm going to do the change of base rule here. So we're going to have our negative, keep it outside. Log of 4 divided by log of 1/2. And we'll use our calculator to evaluate that. We will get log of 4 divided by log of 1/2 equals negative 2. So we have a negative, and then this equals negative 2. Negative times negative 2, or negative 1 times negative 2, will equal positive 2. Yes, that is equal to our first expression. So B is yes. C. We are asked to find if log 3 of 54 minus log 3 of 2 is equivalent to this expression if it equals 2. And I see a subtraction, so we are going to use our quotient property again. And we'll have log base 3 of 54 divided by 2. This looks promising. Log base 3, 54 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25, so we're going to go 27. Okay, spiral it out. 3 to the power of x equals 27. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. This equals 3. Okay, so in this expression, the answer is no. This one equals 3. So C, no. Let's take a look at D. Log 4, base 4 of 3 plus log base 4 of 3.2 minus log base 4 of 0.6. Okay, we got a couple different things going on here. We got addition, subtraction. We should be looking for the base of the logs. They're all the same, so that will be helpful for us. Let's do this part first, our addition. So we are going to use the product property, and this will be log base 4 of 3 times 3.2. And we're going to subtract log base 4 of 0.6. 3 times 3.2 will be 9.6. Log base 4 of 9.6 minus log base 4 of 0.6. Now we can see we can use our quotient property. We'll have log base 4 of 9.6 divided by 0.6. And 9.6 divided by 0.6 equals 16. This can be the log base 4 of 16. And we can set this equal to x. 4 to the power of x equals 16. And yes, x will equal 2. So D is yes. Let's go on to E. We have 2 times log base 3 of 4 minus log base 3 of 4/9. That's a little strange. Minus log base 3 of 6. A few different ways we could tackle this one. Let's try it like this. Subtraction, subtraction, bases are the same, quotient rule. So we have 2 times log 3 base 4 minus, let me take a look here. Let me tackle this a slightly different way. We're going to do this in pieces. And I wonder if we can just use our change of base rule. 2 log 4 over log 3 minus log log of 4/9 divided by the log of 3 minus the log of 6 over the log of 3. And let's just do a little experiment here to see what we get. This becomes 2.534. This becomes a negative 0.738. And this becomes 1.631. tackle this one in a different way. Okay, so let's look at E. E is 2 log base 3 of 4 minus log base 3 of 4/9 minus log base 3 of 6. These all have the same bases, so that's good. And these involve subtraction. So that is going to be our quotient rule. And another strange thing is this 2 out front. Well, I wonder if we could use the power rule and go backwards. Put this n out front. So put this 2 over the 4. And that may help us here. Log base 3 of 4 squared. Log base 3 of 4/9 minus log base 3 of 6. So this will become 16. And now we can start using our quotient rule. Let's do these two first. Log base 3 of 16 over 4/9. Now let's do a little bit of algebra over here. 16 divided by 4 over 9. Well, that's the same as 16 divided by 4 over 9. That's 16 multiplied by 9/4. Cancel, cancel. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, so that was this guy right there. And we're going to subtract log base 3 of 6. So we have log base 3 of 36 minus log base 3 of 6. And now we can use our quotient rule again. So we're going to have log base 3 of 36 divided by 6. This is the log base 3 of 6. And if we set this equal to x, spiral it out, 3 to the power of x equals 6. We want to know, will x be 2? Well, 3 squared is 9. 3 squared is not 6. So the answer for E is no. I hope you found that helpful. Have some more answers in the next video.